Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Unang yalam KMP ka All India Trinamool Congress Halok Sabha usudi Bandopadhyaya mentakas ngi ula Dawa na kasor karpedeng bakan Kynthup no Ktien Khasi bat Garo haka Khyrnit ba Phra jongkariti senchar. Haba ai jengkren Halok Sabha kador barliur kabadang yat menta u Bandopadhyaya ula ong Ktien Khasi bat Garo kiladai kita ki associate official language jongka jela Meghalaya nadu usnem arhajarsan. Ulaya thu ru bahu nai lor arajar khat Phra ka yung dor bar thau an ke jela Meghalaya kalashem yakarai ban kentu yakasor karpedeng ban Kynthup Ktien Khasi bat Garo haga Khyrnit ba Phra namar kata UTU MP ula Dawa nakasor karpedeng ban pedang yakate karai jong ke yung dor bar thau an ke jela Meghalaya bat ban IG thu Ktien Khasi bat Garo.
स्तुति बंदोपाध्याय जी।
सर मैं उत्तर पूर्व भारत के बारे में बोलेंगे 2 मिनट मुझको समय देना सर इट इज इंक्लूशन ऑफ गारो एंड खासी लैंग्वेज इन द 8th शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दीज आर बिलोंग टू मेघालय सर आर्टिकल 29 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन provides that a section of citizens having a distinct language script of culture have the right to conserve the same under the Meghalaya State Legislature Act 2005. Garo and Khasi have been declared as associate official languages of the state. Khasi is an Afro-Asiatic language spoken primarily in Meghalaya and in the hill districts of Assam. Garo is a Tibeto-Burman language of the Boro-Konyak-Jingpo group closely related to Bodo. It is primarily spoken in Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Nagaland. According to the census 2011, there are over 13 lakh 46.5% Khasi speakers and over 9 lakh 31.5% Garo speakers. Issue in inclusion of these two languages has been the lack of their own original scripts. Sir, in April 27 September 2018, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly adopted a resolution to petition the central government to include the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. We urge the Union government to take cognizance of the state's demand to include Garo and Khasi in the 8th schedule, sir.
Thank you.